You're dead. Now what? Now what happens to your assets? If you don't have any type of plan, it's all going to go to the court, and the Georgia law is going to say what happens to your assets, which is typically that it's split equally amongst your kids and your spouse, with your spouse getting no less than a third of your estate. You have a will. What happens now? Now it's still going to go right through probate court, but instead of the state deciding what happens, your will's going to dictate what happens. But because it is still an open court process, all of your legal heirs have to be notified, and they can still contest your will, and ultimately it is still up to a random judge as to what happens to your estate. You're dead. What do you care? Do you really care what happens? You should, because these are your kids, your family, your loved ones, and you have ideas of what you want to happen to your hard-earned assets, and you don't want your kids fighting over it. So ideally, what you actually have is a revocable living trust that's going to avoid the court process altogether and make it as easy as possible for your kids on the back end to take care of you, to take care of you during incapacity, and then to uphold your wishes and administer your estate efficiently according to your wishes with no court intervention and no way for anybody to contest your wishes. So estate planning is how we make sure that your legacy is passed to your family with as minimal conflict as possible and according to your wishes. If there are any specific things we need, if we need to take care of a special needs loved one who has permanent disabilities that's qualified for government benefits, or we need to take care of a child that has a drug or alcohol addiction, or we need to take care of a spouse that literally has never touched a checkbook in their entire life. These are all things that we can account for and protect if we do a comprehensive and personalized estate plan. A simple will, a will alone, is never going to accomplish those goals by itself. We need to have that living trust. We need to have the will. We need to have the incapacity documents. We need to have everything buttoned up nice and neatly to ensure that your legacy is going to pass how you want it to after you do pass away.